LTX Studio claims to be the go-to AI filmmaking tool, but does it live up to the hype? If you're a content creator or filmmaker looking for a smarter way to produce videos, this could be intriguing. Let's dive in and see what it's really about. So, LTX Studio is designed to streamline the filmmaking process by leveraging AI technology. It offers features like automated script writing, scene generation, and even editing assistance. Right off the bat, the user interface feels pretty intuitive, which is a plus for those who might not be tech savvy. The idea of having an AI assist with storyboarding or generating visuals is certainly appealing, especially for indie filmmakers or content creators on tight schedules. However, while the core functionalities sound impressive, there's a noticeable lack of detailed information on how it actually performs in real-world scenarios. It's one thing to have features listed, but it's another to see them in action. The intended audience seems to be anyone from hobbyists to semi-professionals, but I can't shake the feeling that more advanced users might find it lacking in depth. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, LTX Studio's AI capabilities can save you a ton of time and effort, especially in the pre-production phase. The user-friendly interface is also a big plus, making it accessible for beginners, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One major concern is the potential for limited customization, especially if you're looking for something more tailored to your unique style. Plus, I noticed a lack of transparency regarding pricing plans and whether there are any hidden fees. This might raise some red flags for cautious buyers. Ultimately, if you're a casual user or a newcomer to filmmaking, you might find value here, but for seasoned pros, it may feel a bit too basic. In conclusion, LTX Studio is an interesting option for those looking to simplify their filmmaking process. If you're just starting out or need a bit of assistance, it could be worth trying. However, if you're an experienced filmmaker, you might want to explore other tools that offer more depth and customization. It's definitely something to consider, but do your homework first.